Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, expect a load of spam because I've broke up for 6 weeks and we're finding the last cork right now. And I'm halfway through an adventure, but oh well. We are trying to find it. I feel like it's going to be in the most silliest place ever. Oh my god, this lag is unreal. You've got to be serious, this lag. It's unreal right now. Oh my god, why is it lagging? Why is my internet free pass? Guys. I'm lagging. Is it because of I feel like the lag is because of the river? Okay, yeah. Wait, are they all my buddies? Oh my god, they are! Except well, the non-members are. You see, I like including non-members in adventures, and I would rather have one member and then two non-members, so it's even. And I have quite a lot of non-member buddies now, which I'm really happy about. We do adventures together when they're online. But I'm getting the gist right now, and and literally I am so glad that I've met these amazing people, because I actually talk to them, message, obviously, on Animal Jam. I talk to him, and then we talk. And then, oh, what they say? What's so wowie? Yay! You leveled up. Alright. Level 4. Well done. I'm really proud of him. Okay, I'm gonna quickly pause it to take a picture. So I'm just gonna quickly take a picture of a prize, so be right back. I've got some sexy butterfly rings that I declined. Butterfly. Oh. Anyway, sorry about that, I was just on my phone. Oh god, and the lag's back. I will sort the lag out by refreshing after this adventure. Like, I really hate the lag, but then I don't want to lose all my progress in the adventure. Hopefully that makes sense. Wow, it should do. Well, I don't really care that I got butterfly wings because I did get one earlier, but... So, fair square, really? Fair play? I mean, not fair square, fair play. Oh my god, the lag is unreal. It's like, lag wants to date me. Joking, I would never date lag. Like, who likes lag? Yeah. Right, hold on a minute. Okay, sorted. Oh my god. Stop arguing. I'm recording. I don't like it when people argue because it really annoys me. It's one of my pet peeves. You're the giver bad influence. Wait, what? Yep. Oh god, I think they're so confused now. Like, why were you recording? Well, I've only just started recording. Already 6 minutes in. So about my list, I've lost 2 teeth. Like, what, this week? Got one. Hopefully this lag makes me run fast. Come on, run, run. You can do this. You can do this. Run before the lag gets you. I made it. Find what? Ow. I'm sorry, but if she says that you're recording, well, I don't care what your parents think. Like, oh my god, it's a free country. That coyote is so pathetic. Oh my god. Let's look at their username. Let's report her. Let's just block them. Sour packs. Wow, leave it all down to me because I'm recording. Wow, I'm also lagging. I found the key. No. Okay. I dropped the key. Why? Why me? Like, I don't know if this ever happens to you, but do you ever get that awkward moment when you're in Jamar and then you see someone you blocked ages ago and you don't remember why you blocked them for because it was that long ago, so you unblock them and then Adam and they accept? I don't know why. I think they actually forget who you are and then you say, and then you just don't mention about the blocking. Like, no one will remember what happened then. We finally did it. Yes. Oh, that's actually pretty decent. I swear to God, really? Really, AJ? Really? Anyway, guys, that is all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!